Hello everybody, welcome back to Study with Cree. If you keep mixing up theorists like Beck, Ellis, and Rogers, this video is for you. Let's fix that in less than 5 minutes so you'll never confuse them again. Beck created cognitive behavioral therapy. He focused on how negative thought patterns shape our emotions and behaviors. Ellis developed rational emotive behavior therapy. He focused on challenging irrational beliefs using the ABC model, which stands for activating event, belief, and the consequence. Here's an easy way to remember. Beck thinks and Ellis challenges. Say it again. Beck thinks and Ellis challenges. Rogers believed in unconditional positive regard. He believed that growth happens when people feel fully accepted. Maslow believed that we're motivated by needs, and it ranges from safety to love and all the way up to self-actualization. So, say this with me. Rogers accepts, Maslow climbs. Say it again. Rogers accepts, Maslow climbs. Adler said, people are driven by a need to belong and overcome inferiority. He cared about social connection. Jung focused on the inner world, such as archetypes, dreams, and the collective unconscious. Remember, Adler connects, Jung dreams. Say it again. Adler connects, Jung dreams. Skinner believed that behavior is shaped by reinforcement and punishment. That's operant conditioning. Bandura said, on the other hand, we also learn by observing others, which is called social learning. So, say it with me. Skinner reinforces and Bandura models. Say it again. Skinner reinforces and Bandura models. Piaget focused on how thinking changes with age, from sensory motor to formal operations. Erikson focused on how identity develops through social experiences, from trust versus mistrust to integrity versus despair. Say this with me. Piaget builds, Erikson grows. Piaget builds, Erikson grows. Okay, let's recap. So, Beck thinks, Ellis challenges, Rogers accepts, Maslow climbs, Adler connects, Jung dreams, Skinner reinforces, Bandura models, Piaget builds, and Erikson grows. Say it again, pause this video, and go back and listen to it, and say it again. Beck thinks, Ellis challenges, Roger accepts, Maslow climbs, Adler connects, Jung dreams, Skinner reinforces, Bandura models, Piaget builds, and Erikson grows. Thank you so much for watching. If this helps you, please subscribe and join me next week for more content. We will be focusing on Erikson 8 stages with an easy memory trick. Share with your friends who are studying for the CPCE or the NCE or both, like me. Like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.